Hello friends, this is Ashok. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to take a backup of the database, because backup database is very important part of the business. So if you lose any important data anytime, then you can recover it by this backup. You can restore it anytime with your backup file of the database. So let's start how to take a backup from the cloud server. So first you have to connect your cloud server, then give your credentials and then connect. Then your cloud server is connected. Now you have to log in with the database. So I have already logged in here. So you have to choose your database which you want to backup. So first select database. So right click on it, go to task and click on backup option. Now backup database window will appear in front of you. And now you have to remove this previous backup file. Just remove it and add again. So click on add. Now click the file where you want to save your backup. So you have to choose, you have to browse your location where you want to save your backup file. So I want to store in D drive, backup folder. So I have chosen this folder and give a name of the file. .bak, give a file name and extension will be .bak. Now OK. Now click OK. So you are choosing here backup type full and differential. So you can take backup type as differential also. So I am selecting full. Now click on OK. So message showing the backup of database this completed successfully. Okay, it is very simple to take a backup of the database. This is Microsoft database. Now open folder, you can see the database backup file. So here D drive, under D drive, backup folder. Okay, look, today is 14th May 2020 and this .bak file means backup file is created and file size is 265 MB. So if you want to copy your file to your local computer, then you can copy it and go to your local computer and paste it. So file is big, just I am archive it with WinRAR. Because WinRAR archive is used to reduce the file size. So as you can see here, this is only 19 MB, but previous one I have backed up that was 265 MB. So this is only 19 MB. How much powerful the WinRAR. So copy it and minimize, then I paste here on the desktop. So it is downloading from the cloud server to local machine. So if you don't understand any point that how to take a backup of the database, then please ask your question as comment. I'll definitely answer. Okay, if you like this video, then definitely subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.